simmering dispute over federal oversight of the NOPD reached a boiling point recently, with Mayor Cantrell boycotting a community meeting that was set by that federal judge who oversees the police department reforms.
Yeah, Cantrell won a small victory in court yesterday. Investigative reporter Mike Pearlstein has been following the dispute and joining us now in studio with an explanation and some new comments from the mayor, Mike.
Yeah, Katie and Charisse, the consent decree to reform problems within the NOPD was a voluntary agreement when it was signed back in 2012. But with the recent resistance from City Hall, some strange new battle lines have been drawn.
This consent decree is an impediment. It is a burden.
In some of her most defiant words yet regarding the NOPD consent decree, Mayor Cantrell today basically said, enough is enough.
I want to make sure everyone is in their lane. Have the judge focus on constitutional policing practices and the monitor. But I'm at the point now that they've been monitoring for a long time.
Lately, Cantrell has been backing up her words with action. First, she told federal judge Susie Morgan that she would not send city police employees to a community meeting on the consent decree because the proposed topics fell outside of the court agreement. When Morgan changed the meeting to a court hearing set for Wednesday, Cantrell appealed, and she won. This ruling from the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeal put a hold on the court hearing for 30 days to allow the parties a chance to compromise.
Yesterday, it was a step in the right direction, giving and breathing life, I would say, of objectivity back into this, not subjectivity.
In addition to the normally conservative Fifth Circuit agreeing with Cantrell, so did another official on the opposite end of the political spectrum from the mayor. Attorney General Jeff Landry wrote in a statement, "I am grateful the Fifth Circuit halted this blatant overreach." In another twist, 4 members of the City Council, J.P. Morrell, Helena Moreno, Joe Giarrusso, and Leslie Harris, opposed the mayor's boycott, writing to the federal judge that they are prepared to reconsider how city funds are allocated if the boycott persists. Cantrell said her bottom line position is that the once troubled NOPD is substantially reformed, and those reforms are entrenched enough to stick.
We have the tools and the resources in place to ensure that we stay on the right path.
Now, what the mayor is seeking specifically is for the federal judge to allow the police department to enter into a 2-year wind-down phase of the consent decree. But with the current tension, there is no way to gauge when that might happen. Katie and Charisse?
All right, thank you, Mike.